Good evening, good evening, good evening. Thank you for joining me, Gigi at Crafty Gifts. Tonight I'm going to be making a baby set. I'm doing embroidering. I'm embroidering the baby's name on the onesie. The set contains a onesie, a hat, a pillow, a blanket, and socks. The hat will also be embroidered. The blanket, I will be embroidering something on it with the baby's name. And I'm going to try to go step by step with you guys so you can see. Already I have placed the t-shirt, the onesie, excuse me, under the machine with water soluble stabilizer on top. And under the bottom, I put cutaway stabilizer. So now that the onesie is under there in placement, I'm going to begin the machine. Just bear with me. So those don't get caught up in anything. Just trying to make sure my alignment is good here. The water stabilizer sometimes shift, like, you got to make sure the onesie, the back of the onesie is not in the way of, you don't make that mistake. What I usually use is these little black clips here. I usually clip the t-shirt down and out of the way so it won't get caught up while I'm embroidering. I did the back already. I just want to do some of the front. See if I could do some of the front so I don't get caught. And I just gotta, I guess, hold my hand here. Like, once the machine starts going, I should be fine. Just trying to move everything out the way. And put my stabilizer back down. The blanket set, the blanket that I'm doing is a white minky rose. I don't want it to go. I'm stitching out the name. When I finish, I'm gonna come back, show you what the name look like. Excuse me. Show you what the name look like, and then we're gonna move on to the next thing. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, so the name is finished. I'm taking the key and I'm loosening the frame, the hoop, so I can take the t-shirt off, the onesie off. Now it's loose. I'm just gonna pop it out. That's it. Place the hoop right here. Now I have to cut the stabilizer from the t-shirt. I use my embroidery scissors. This is to cut, so you can cut as close as you possibly can without cutting the stitches or the design. So I'm cutting away the stabilizer. Like I said, the back is cutaway stabilizer. That's what I use on the back. So I'm just cutting it away from the t-shirt. The small portion of it will stay on the back of the t-shirt. I'm gonna cover it anyway with something else so this part don't beat up on the baby's skin. See? Turn it inside out so you guys can see. And this is what it looks like. This is the baby's name. So all I'm doing now is, the baby name is there. I'm gonna put a design here under the name. And the t-shirt is finished. The onesie is finished. The design I'm putting is actually, it's a printing cut, so only the name is going to be embroidered. I really don't like the thread that I used on here. I'll be mindful not to use it again. I should have stuck with what I know. Just put little tails. Yeah, I really don't like that thread. I won't be using that thread for the rest of my projects. I'll be using the thread now. This is the thread that I just used. It's, to me, it's very thin. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm trying to pull a piece. I don't know if you can see how thin it is. It's real thin, although it's satiny. It has more shine than my thread I usually use, but this is a little heavier, so I will be going back to using that. This I won't be using. I'll show you what it is. Maybe you'll have better luck. Maybe if I was doing a full design instead of a name, it might look better. But this is what I use. I got it from Amazon. Me personally, just me, I won't be using it again. Not for embroidering names. Maybe, like I said, if I was doing something else, but not to embroider a name. So this is a normal for me. Okay. So now that we did the onesie, we are now going to do. I wish I had my 4x4 up there running, but it's okay. We are now going to do the baby hat and the cute little socks. I'm trying to see if I want to put her name as tiny as it can go, right across the top here, right across. I think I can fit her name real small and maybe a little tiny, a little rose. That would be cute. So I'm going to start on this. This stuff I'm going to have to float on the hoop because see the hoop is too big. So I'll just put my stabilizer and float it so they'll be attached to the stabilizer, and then I'll go from there and I'll let you see. So these are the next two things I'm doing: the socks and hat, and I'll come back and let you see. It's kind of late, but I'm filming. I need it for my page anyway. So yeah, like I said, if you're looking to buy an embroidery machine, that do larger than 4x4, get the brother SE 1900. It's a powerhouse. If you look at my video, you will see that when I got this, I also said it was a powerhouse. It's a really good machine. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Give a thumbs up, click the notification bell, so every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. So I'll be back. So you guys, I'm back. I hooked the hat into the, I'm floating the hat in the hoop, so it'll be easy because the hat is too small to actually hoop it. So I'm floating the hat. I have my tearaway stabilizer on the bottom. I'm gonna put my water soluble stabilizer on top. I'm putting the baby's name, and I'm gonna let you see how that come out. Be right back. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna start with the beginning on it. So I'm gonna press OK on the machine. I'm gonna get this position, press embroidery, and press the green. I don't know if you can see because I'm here screen. So I'm pausing it to cut the jump stitches. I'm gonna have to stop again, we'll see. I actually do want to see it now. I don't know how it goes. Okay. I'm gonna pull that. I pull the thread. And what I do sometimes, I think the A was like that. I thought the A was messed up, but I believe the A is open on this one. I thought it was supposed to be closed, but it's not. What I do, when I see little pieces like little threads, it's going to go under, oh I hate to say this, like under the, Bunny's gonna have surgery, and I'm gonna put the baby's name in Bunny's ear. And maybe I'll put 2021 on this ear, but Bunny is about to go under, and I'm gonna let you guys see how it comes out. So I'll be back. Don't go nowhere. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you. Hey you guys, I'm back. Yes, it is actually the next day. I stopped embroidering last night because it was kind of loud and I didn't want to disturb my neighbors. So just a little while ago I tried to embroider the socks, but I still gotta work on it. I kind of messed up a little bit, but I'm gonna work on that when I finish. That's mine. I wanted to get the major stuff out of the way, like the teddy bear, the blanket, the pillow, and then I'll focus on the socks. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna include those socks into the baby set, but now what you see here is my lovely Bunny. Bunny is being tatted. That's what I'm gonna say. He's being tatted. With the name on the ear in the year 2021. I decided to embroider all that information on the back side of the ear instead of the inside of the ear. I tripled up my soluble stabilizer. I tripled it up because this is kind of fluffy and I'm not doing the knockdown stitch. I wanted to try something else and see if it works. If it works, then I'm good. But I have to float the bunny here, and actually I have my tearaway stabilizer on the bottom. So I'm going to scoot up so the bunny be rested on me as well as the machine, and I'm going to start this and see what happens. I'm just going to film just a tad bit, and then I'm going to complete it, finish it off screen, and then let you see how it comes out because I don't want the video to be so long and drawn out for you guys. So here we go. Wasn't it to cut this tail up, but you know how I do. So I cut this piece off so it won't get in the way of things. And I'm going to finish. I'm hoping that this works out for me. I'm hoping that it works. You know what? I think I messed up. I'm gonna pause. Okay. Okay, guys. One here is look at. It's not hiding my It's not hiding the child's name. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go and do the other ear, and then when it's all completed, I'll come back to you. Be right back. Okay, y'all. Everyone, I'm finished with that ear. I mean, the Bunny Rabbit 2020 pillow. And figure out what I'm gonna do with the socks. But as I said, step by step, I'll let you know. I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm not gonna go through the whole process with you guys because I don't want to take up your time. I just want you to see the beginning stages of each step. So I'm about to do the blanket. I'm embroidering something on the blanket. I haven't decided what as of. Okay, y'all. I'm back. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm showing you the onesie because the onesie is not complete. Remember I said I was gonna put something else on it. So I printed out this little baby that's gonna go here. I'm gonna cut around the baby as close as I can cut, and it's actually light fabric transfer paper. I'm gonna show you the packaging. It's for light colors. This is what this is what the baby is on. So you can use your regular inkjet printer. You get 25 sheets, I think for $20 maybe less. I'm not even sure, but I brought it from Amazon. So I'm going to cut this out, press it down to the t-shirt, and then the t-shirt will be finished. When I'm finished cutting and pressing, I will show you how it turned out. So give me a minute, I'll be right back. Hey you guys, so I'm about to press it, the transfer image, onto the t-shirt with my easy press, which is here. I heated it up to 400 at 40, but I'm not even going to do 40. I probably do 20 or 15. So here you go. I put the parchment paper that they supplied with it. It don't even have to take that long to heat up, as you can see. So it's pressed down. I'm gonna wait for it to cool because I believe it is cool pill. So that is the pressing of the image onto the onesie. Next step would be the blanket. Okay everyone, I'm back. I took a little time off because when I left you guys, I had got some news that a co-worker of mine, an ex-co-worker of mine, passed away last night. So I didn't think I would be able to finish the project, but to take my mind off of things and to ease my mind a little bit, I think that I should continue to finish the project I was doing. So under the needle now is the Minky. It's a white Minky that I'm about to embroider a teddy bear with the child's name. Yeah, it shouldn't take me long to do it. After I embroider it, I can put the thing together, the blanket together, and start on the pillow, and then I'm finished. So hopefully I'll get all of this done tonight. My phone is going off in the background, people leaving their condolences and things like that. But just a sidebar, don't take anyone in your life for granted. No one. Like, I worked at this job for 13 years and my co-workers became my family and they mean so much to me. Just don't take life for granted. Life is precious. Life is short. Just love everybody. Get along. Don't hold grudges. I'm gonna start this now and we're gonna see what it do. I made the design in P10, the software. So I'm not even sure if it's gonna come out the right size I want it, but we'll see. So now I'm going to embroider, and like I've been doing all day, I'm not gonna take y'all through the whole entire thing. I'm just gonna start it, and then when it's finished, I'm gonna show you. But this is the stage I'm at right now. It's chopped up, but I'm trying to hold it into place and let it do what it needs to do as much as I can. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'm gonna pause. I'm gonna come back because I don't want y'all to I look cross-eyed. Maybe I'll take off my glasses. I don't want y'all to, I don't want this to keep on going and be drawn out. So I'm gonna come back when it's finished and let you see. Be back.